I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. She has gone to the market. She has gone to the market. They have visited Paris twice. They have visited Paris twice. We have seen that movie before. We have seen that movie before. He has broken his phone. He has broken his phone. I have cooked dinner already. I have cooked dinner already. You have learned many new words. You have learned many new words. She has written a beautiful poem. She has written a beautiful poem. They have bought a new car. They have bought a new car. We have met before, haven't we? We have met before, haven't we? He has taken the bus to work. He has taken the bus to work. I have cleaned my room. I have cleaned my room. You have started your project. You have started your project. She has forgotten her keys again. She has forgotten her keys again. They have finished their lunch. They have finished their lunch. We have played football today. We have played football today. He has done his job perfectly. He has done his job perfectly. I have lived here for 5 years. I have lived here for 5 years. You have called her many times. You have called her many times. She has lost her phone. She has lost her phone. They have joined a new gym. They have joined a new gym. We have waited for hours. We have waited for hours. He has completed the report. He has completed the report. I have watched that show before. I have watched that show before. You have helped me a lot. You have helped me a lot. She has brought a cake. She has brought a cake. They have built a new house. They have built a new house. We have known each other since school. We have known each other since school. He has read the entire book. He has read the entire book. I have worked here since 2020. I have worked here since 2020. You have improved a lot. You have improved a lot. She has found her wallet. She has found her wallet. They have decided to move. They have decided to move. We have shared many memories. We have shared many memories. He has spoken to the manager. He has spoken to the manager. I have seen that cat before. I have seen that cat before. You have changed your hairstyle. You have changed your hairstyle. She has cleaned the kitchen. She has cleaned the kitchen. They have sold their old bike. They have sold their old bike. We have traveled to London. We have traveled to London. He has written many letters. He has written many letters. I have heard that story before. I have heard that story before. You have completed your assignment. You have completed your assignment. She has cooked a delicious meal. She has cooked a delicious meal. They have studied for the test. They have studied for the test. We have gone out together. We have gone out together. He has left his bag at home. He has left his bag at home. I have lost my watch. I have lost my watch. You have done a great job. You have done a great job. She has painted the wall. She has painted the wall. They have learned a new skill. They have learned a new skill. We have repaired the car. We have repaired the car. He has gone home early. He has gone home early. I have eaten breakfast already. I have eaten breakfast already. You have missed the train. You have missed the train. She has just arrived at the airport. She has just arrived at the airport. They have opened the store. They have opened the store. We have stayed here too long. We have stayed here too long. He has worked hard all week. He has worked hard all week. I have listened to that song. I have listened to that song. You have sent the email. You have sent the email. She has washed the clothes. She has washed the clothes. They have made a big mistake. They have made a big mistake. We have seen many changes. We have seen many changes. He has met my parents. He has met my parents. I have finished reading the book. I have finished reading the book. You have improved your accent. You have improved your accent. She has just left the office. She has just left the office. They have grown so much. They have grown so much. We have done enough for today. We have done enough for today. He has never tried sushi. He has never tried sushi. I have already paid the bill. I have already paid the bill. You have not called me yet. You have not called me yet. She has not finished her task. She has not finished her task. They have never seen snow. They have never seen snow. We have just completed our work. We have just completed our work. He has already eaten dinner. He has already eaten dinner. I have met your brother once. I have met your brother once. You have traveled a lot this year. You have traveled a lot this year. She has been my friend for years. She has been my friend for years. They have visited India many times. They have visited India many times. We have gone to that restaurant. We have gone to that restaurant. He has taken his medicine. He has taken his medicine. I have started my new job. I have started my new job. You have told me that story before. You have told me that story before. She has changed her mind. She has changed her mind. They have invited everyone. They have invited everyone. We have completed our training. We have completed our training. He has gone abroad. He has gone abroad. I have never been to Japan. I have never been to Japan. You have forgotten something. You have forgotten something. She has helped her mother. She has helped her mother. They have passed the exam. They have passed the exam. We have cleaned the floor. We have cleaned the floor. He has lost his wallet. He has lost his wallet. I have finished my studies. I have finished my studies. You have seen my phone? You have seen my phone? She has taken a photo. She has taken a photo. They have returned from vacation. They have returned from vacation. We have learned a new topic. We have learned a new topic.